Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you will find a promo code that you get 100% on your first deposit. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot this Monday.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run
And just like that, $1,479 in matter of 7 minutes. And you can too. Link below the video if you want to start with this amazing robot also. So with that, have an amazing day.